Russwater RPG, making encounters memorable. Special attacks/conditions. Some creatures can potentially use special attack mechanics that apply conditions in a similar way to players having spells and techniques. Conditions are a d20 saving throw. Conditions only last one round, and common conditions applied instead of damage include dazed, charm, fear, stun, blind, deafen, hypnotize, poisoned, restrained, prone, paralyzed, petrified, bleeding, confusion, fatigued, nauseated, suffocating. Links to explanations of common conditions are in the document. Encounter strategies. It is a good idea to consider where the encounter is taking place and how the terrain and other aspects of who and what is around the potential battlefield will affect how combat may progress. Consider that the creatures encountered may have other goals besides beating the party in combat. Having something that puts additional pressures on the party or something that works as a time limit can raise the stakes of an encounter. I use random number generators on the following tables to choose an option and enhance your encounter. The following tables are collated and altered based on ones found in other great TTRPGs. These include the wonderful Index Card RPG and Deck Quest. Example strategies. I will list the first 5 examples of the 55 strategies suggested in the document. 1. An unlikely foe. Consider making monsters that aren't monsters. All kinds of weird objects, terrain, people, or magical entities can be foes to battle. Here's a brain in a jar. What can it do? How is it dangerous? Why must it be defeated? As you answer questions, it takes form. 2. Armored. It's tough as iron. Ignores any damage below 5 HP. 3. Banish foes. With a spell, a monster can send an enemy to a mini-dimension. There, the hero needs to do something to return to the fight. 4. Behave in cycles. When monsters do the same action combos, players can learn their pattern and exploit it. 5. Bolster defenses. If a monster is just in the way, then making it resilient can be fun. With its defense up, it has double HP. When down, make attacks for extra damage. Encounter reactions. When the PCs encounter a creature whose reaction to the party is not obvious, the GM may roll 2d6 and consult the following table, or use the longer situation or motivation table below. Hostile. Unfriendly. Unsure. Talkative. Helpful. Encounter situation/motivation. I will list the first 5 examples of the 44 situations or motivations suggested in the document. 1. Angry. Creatures are obviously very angry for some reason. 2. Attach. Creatures are parasitic whose only concern is latching onto victims and doing whatever it does next. 3. Altered/augmented/cybernetic/mutated. Creatures have been altered or enhanced in some way with unusual, probably unnatural things about their body. 4. Camouflage. Creatures are hard to see and have a way to blend in with the environment. 5. Confused. Creatures are baffled, unsure about something or the situation. See the document for more encounter strategies, reactions, situations, or motivation.